స్వరాజ్ రిజల్యూషన్, సంపూర్ణ స్వరాజ్యమైనటువంటి తీర్మానము జనవరి 1929లో తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఆ డేట్ని పురస్కరించుకొని మళ్ళీ మనము 1950లో ఏదైతే ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేశామో అప్పుడు దీన్ని మళ్ళీ మన యొక్క మొదటి గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవం జరుపుకోవడం జరిగింది. తద్వారా మనము కంటిన్యూగా మన యొక్క దేశంలో ఈ యొక్క గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని చాలా ఉత్సాహంతో సంతోషంతో భారతీయులందరూ చాలా గర్వంగా జరుపుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మన విద్యార్థులు తమ అభిప్రాయాలు చెప్పడానికి చాలా ఉత్సాహంగా ఉన్నారు. Now I welcome our students for their speeches. First of all, I would like to call upon Kumar Navi Chandri of 9th B. Please come over to the dais and express your views on our 75th Republic Day celebrations.
Views guరించి చెప్తారా? Views on 75th Day celebration.
A pleasant good morning to all and all. Today I am here to share the knowledge about Republic Day. Republic Day is one of the most important national events in India. It is celebrated every year on January 20 and marks the adoption of the Constitution of India, which came into effect on this day in 1950. The day is not only a commemoration of India becoming a republic, but also a celebration of the ideas of justice, liberty and equality, which our freedom fighters and makers of the Constitution stood by. Republic Day of India's history. After years of tireless effort and sacrifices by our freedom fighters, India gained independence on 15th August 1947. The nation did not have a permanent constitution at that time and functioned under the Government of India Act 1935. To fill this void, a drafting committee led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was formed to create a constitution for the newly independent nation. The Constituent Assembly, which had representatives from various regions and communities, took almost 2 years, 11 months, 18 days to finalize the Constitution. On January 26, 1950, the Constitution of India was officially adopted, making India a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Importance of Republic Day. Republic Day is a day of great pride and honor for Indians all across the globe for several reasons. Firstly, it symbolizes the end of Indian struggle for independence and establishment of a self-governing nation. Second, it highlights the democratic values and principles our Constitution put forward, which serves as the guiding document for the nation. It is a day to honor the visionaries who laid the foundation for a democratic India. Republic Day serves as a reminder of the diversity and unity that defines our country. Republic Day of India's significance. Republic Day in India is a special day that shows our strong commitment to justice, liberty and equality. It highlights that the Constitution is like the boss of all laws, guiding how the country is run and safeguarding rights of its people. This day also puts a spotlight on democratic values, which are the building blocks of our society. It also tells us that the people have the power to be a part of decision making through their chosen representatives, making our nation a democracy where everyone has a say. Moreover, Republic Day fills every Indian heart with patriotism and pride. Celebrations that take place. Republic Day celebrations are marked by various events across the country, with the main focus on the grand parade in the capital city. The President of India holds the national flag at Rajpath, followed by the ceremonial march first, showcasing the military prowess, cultural diversity through the Janki of various states and technological achievements of the nation. The presence of the armed force, folk dances and patriotic songs adds to the beauty and spirit of the occasion. After 3 days, the beating retreat ceremony on January 29 marks the official end of the Republic Day celebrations. We need to feel proud as Indians as our country has the biggest written constitution in the world, which contains 1,46,385 words in its English language version. Our constitution is also the best constitution in the world for maintaining the national unity, respecting diversity and upholding democratic principles. Thank you.